Hi, welcome to Scripts and Tags, where you learn to be a better web developer from the ground up. Today, we're talking about tables in HTML. Let's jump in. Here you'll see we already have our full set of HTML defined for this table. And while we normally go from the ground up, today we're going from the top down. I will be uncommenting sections of code as we get to them in the file. The first table tag you see is table. This defines a table, and all content within it is part of that table. The second tag is thead. This tag, along with tbody and tfoot, are category tags, which allow you to assign style to groups of rows in your table. Alone, they have no impact on your cell content, but given a style attribute or a CSS file, you can do cool things, and I'll show you what that looks like at the end of the lesson. The next tag is the table row. Each of these defines an individual row on your table. They are a containing tag, and each contains cells. Cells are defined as either th or td tags. A th tag is a header cell. A header cell makes the contents of itself bold. A td does not. So if I move the comment from this line down to the end of our table body, you'll see the contents of our table appear. The layout of your table automatically adjusts to adapt to the size of the content in the cells. You'll also notice that each row has the same number of cells. This is because when rows have different numbers of cells, your table will expand to automatically accommodate the widest number of cells. More specifically, if your first row has 5 cells, and your second row has 3, and then your third row has 5 cells again, your center row, the second row, will have 2 empty cells on the right-hand side, meaning all content shifts to the left. Unless this is your desired look for the page, I recommend that you always have the same number of cells in your rows. If I get rid of this last comment, you'll see that because we only have content in the last cell of this row, it appears in the final position. To demonstrate what I meant about rows shifting left, if I get rid of these 2 cells, you'll see that content shifts to the left. But let's go ahead and keep those cells because we like nice looking tables. So that's all the tags you need to create a nice looking table. Now I did say you'd get to see what a table looks like when you apply some cool CSS to it. So let's do that. Thank you for watching Scripts and Tags. As always, code well.